Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I came with some of the shortcuts which you can use while using YouTube. We all use YouTube for different purposes, but these shortcuts definitely can help you to enrich your experience. So without wasting much time, let's get into this video right now to understand the fast shortcut of this particular video. Now, sometime what happens, maybe you forget to mute your YouTube and in a public place when that YouTube opened, that may create some embarrassment, right? So to mute any of the video right away, just press M. Once you press that, your video will be muted. You can see now this mute icon is enabled. Now again, if you press M, it will unmute. So that's the way you can use it. Second one, if you press the up arrow, it will increase the volume. You can see the percentage is visible here whenever I am pressing up arrow. It's already in 100%. Now, similarly, if I press down arrow, it will reduce the volume by 5% every time. So using up arrow or down arrow, you will be able to control the volume of the video. Now, another shortcut here. Whenever you are watching any of the video, if you want to go to full screen, just press F. It will go full screen. And if you press T, it will go to theater mode. So these are the very useful shortcuts. We don't use all the time, but this can be very, very useful. Maybe whenever you're eating something and your one hand is busy, so you can just use this kind of shortcuts to enrich your YouTube experience. Now, whenever we use YouTube, if you want to rewind, if you press the left arrow, it will go 5 seconds backwards. If you press right arrow, it will take you 5 seconds forward. Now, another option is there. From your keyboard, J, K, and L, in these three keys, if you press J, it will take you 10 seconds backwards. If you press L, it will take you 10 seconds forward. And if you press K, it will pause the video. So using all these keys, you can use it. And JKL is one thing you can also remember, and you can use it in that purpose. Now, two more shortcuts within this particular shortcut tip. Maybe once your video is on, if you just press C, it will enable the caption. If the caption is available, in this particular video, it seems no caption is available considering it's a song. So if I just go in any of the video and maybe I start and I just maybe press C, the caption, then you can see that auto-generated caption is visible. And if I press C again, it will turn off. So this way you can enable and disable captions. Another thing, maybe you are watching any of the video, but using any of the number, you will be able to seek through the video. Now, what I'm talking about, this video is playing. If I press 5, it will go to the 50% mark of the video. If I press 2, it will go to 20% of the video. If I press 9, it will go to the 90% part of the video. Now, this can be very useful whenever you are watching a very long video, maybe a long tutorial kind of a video where you want to seek through quickly and you may want to reach to a specific location. So that's why you can use all these numbers. Now, these are the very common things, so maybe common keyboard shortcuts you can use. If you want to learn more YouTube related shortcuts, just go to your profile picture, click on there. And if you scroll down and at the last, you'll be able to see one particular option, that is keyboard shortcuts. If you click there, it will show you all the available shortcuts available within YouTube platform. You can check and maybe whatever is looks useful to you, you can just memorize and you can start using. Hopefully you learned something new, and using these shortcuts, you will be able to use YouTube more efficiently. If you want to learn more tips about YouTube, I have another video available which I'll add in the end video card. Please refer if you are interested. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye for now.